So on skincare confessions today, I thought I would go into some of the treatments that I do on my own skin. Treatments that I've been doing for many years to sort of maintain my skin and really look after it and keep it in its best state. I've also been doing Botox for many years and a little bit of fillers. I want to point out that when I do Botox and fillers, I do really microdoses of it. So I've been doing it since I was 23 was the first time I had Botox, as soon as I could see that frown line starting to set in. And I use it more as a preventative measure rather than to change the look of my face. So like a maintenance treatment. And let's face it, no one's gonna miss a frown. So I started there. I was very nervous, but I absolutely loved the results. And I was having it about twice a year at that time. I now have Botox about 3 times a year, and obviously we're 10 years on now, so I now have it sort of all over my frown. And then the best is very recently, Dr. Nel started doing it around the eyes as well. And being a mom and a business owner, I don't get a lot of sleep, and sometimes you can just feel like you're burning the candle at both ends. So I look tired all the time. So when I had that Botox around my eyes, it really freshened up my looks. Noticeably so, that friends of mine were saying, and my patients were saying, wow, you look fresh, and no one knew that I actually had Botox around my eyes. You never want to look done. You never want to look overdone. You want to have expression. You don't want to sort of have your lips standing out here and your face completely frozen. You want to have expression, but also you want to maintain your skin. Well, that's how I feel. I want to maintain it for as long as possible. So I'm going to have my procedure today, and I think I'll get Tony to film it for us so that you can see what it's like when I have my Botox. It's not sore at all. I hope you all enjoy it, and if you've got any questions, please send them through to us. We'll be happy to assist you and have an open dialogue and chat about anything that you may wonder, pain, areas, different treatments, what they are. We're here to help.